Huawei's VR2 headset was unveiled officially in late 2017, but CES 2018 served as a Western debut and the first chance for most people to get their eyes and hands on one. This is Huawei's second take on VR, and it comes with a partnership with IMAX. Perhaps you've heard of that. Instead of Google, yes, this VR headset does not run Daydream. That IMAX partnership makes sense, as Huawei is positioning VR2 as more of a competitor with higher-end VR headsets rather than Daydream View or Samsung Gear VR. This headset has built-in screens, and that means it takes its data connection over USB. It can be powered by a new Mate 10 Pro or a PC, just like an HTC Vive. The screens are LCD and come in at 3K or 1440 by 1600 resolution per eye. They have a 90Hz refresh rate as well, which is supposed to smooth out the experience and help with motion sickness. I'll say that it was very comfortable, and eye strain wasn't an issue in about the 20 minutes that I used it at CES. Though I could notice a little pixelation still. Being an IMAX partner product, the most visually compelling experience was a virtual theater with a handful of action-packed movie trailers playing. It looked and sounded fantastic, and it was running off of a Mate 10 Pro. The IMAX partnership means that the Huawei VR2 has its movies fed directly from IMAX, whereas Google's ongoing IMAX deal simply gives you access in Daydream to some 3D titles that are already in the Play Store. Huawei also demoed the same headset paired up with a PC and a controller playing a game from Steam, which puts that 90Hz refresh rate to the test and also looked good. In both cases, the headset feels comfortable compared to your typical Daydream visor, which makes sense considering it has better weight distribution and a more structured head strap system with tons of padding. The headset felt tight and stable and didn't put any pressure on my cheeks or nose. For content creation, Huawei was also showing off its EnVizion 360-degree camera attachment that was also released in 2017. This little pod plugs straight into the USB port of your Mate 10 Pro or other recent Huawei phone and captures right into the Gallery app. The camera captures 5K photos or 2K video from a pair of 13-megapixel wide-angle cameras, and the shots we took look good on the Mate 10 Pro's display. To my eyes, the stitch line between the two cameras was very well hidden, except for the usual spots down near the bottom where you hold the phone. The app was useful, but nothing surprising. It basically offered a couple shooting modes, live filters, and video recording. That gets the job done. The most important thing to me was that it all seemed very smooth to operate, and the process of switching to 360 and capturing just took a few seconds after plugging it in. That 360-degree camera is available online through resellers if you're just dying to have one, with prices around $150 to $200. The VR2 headset, though, doesn't yet have a release date, but the expected price is about $300, plus the phone or computer to power it, of course. There are a whole lot of moving pieces involved here, including phone and computer-side software and, of course, content partnerships. With a name like IMAX involved, you'd hope that Huawei follows through, but we'll have to wait and see for future developments on this one. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Android Central here on YouTube to see all of our future videos.